free, 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 free.
How much it costs?
Free, 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 free.
What does it cost?
Free, 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 free.
Okay, we have made it to your next campground. If you like free camping here in Florida, it is in the middle of the winter and it's 81 degrees. Lake Panasoffkee Campground, free campground by Southwest Florida Water Management District. Got biking, bird watching, camping, fishing, hiking, horse riding, hunting, and picnic. We're about to go down here less than a half mile. There's Cake and JetBlue. But we already have our setup down here. We just had to go out and get us some groceries for the next couple of days. When we get to the campground, I'm probably going to show you around the campground where we're camping, just stand in the middle and show you around. And then maybe walk over to the tree section because we're kind of in an open field right now. And make sure you go online at Southwest Florida Water Management District, www.watermatters.org. And you have to get a permit to camp here. The permit is free. And with all these free camping in Florida, they always have a locked gate, but this gate is not locked. So you do not need a security code to get in once you register for the camping here. This is the road we came down. Less than a mile, probably a quarter of a mile at the most, maybe a half a mile. And this is actually the campground. The equestrian area is over in that area. And then over there beyond where the trees are, that is the primitive area. And stables over there. We're gonna walk over there and show you all this. And you just stay on the road and drive around till you find a spot. So let's continue. We made it to our next campground. This big open field here. And there's some wooded camping all the way in the back. Since we only staying a couple of days, we're gonna take one of the spots at the open field. When you arrive at the campground, this is how it looks. There's a huge open space right here, especially if you got horses, equestrian, and there's Cake and I right there. And you just pick a spot where there's a table and a fire pit. There's water here, but it's non-potable. As you can see, I'm just circling around right here. It's a huge campground, and there is also a primitive area over there by the trees that we're gonna check out later. So you can just pick a spot anywhere over here. You got some boaters over here, and they go fishing on the lake. But we'll go to the tree area later. The only reason we really picked this particular spot because the abundance of sun it has, and we have solar power that we need to use. But it's nice. Normally isn't our style of camping, but we're adjusting to all kind of things. After all, you guys did see the campground in New Mexico, right? If not, go ahead and check that out. We'll head over to the tree area. Nice big oak trees with all this moss, just like this one that we're under. We'll check that area out later. Here's a day use area complete with 2 huge barbecue pits. And restroom, male and female restroom. No showers, just a restroom. Flush toilets and running water to wash your hands. And as I spoke of before, that section is the primitive section with all the trees and shade. On a hot day, you want to be under that when it's cool, when the wind blowing. We'll check it out later. Got a look at the day use picnic areas with some wildlife. Not quite wild, but look, the bulls coming closer thinking we want to feed them or something. Check this huge barbecue grill, or pit, I guess you can call it. Great for big groups. And the horse stables are right there. Okay, playing around. That one got a tag on it, number 94.
All of them got tags.
And he's very protective, moving the female away. Move.
That one right here ain't moved yet.
Yep.
Are they all blue?
I look back at the shelter with non-potable water and the restroom. Here are the stables. It is an equestrian campground. There's patches over there in the distance. And here's a campground host spot, which there isn't a campground host here. This is the road we came in on, 44, just off of 75 South. And down in less than a mile, we're at the campground right here. And a lot of trails that lead directly to the big lake. A lot of recreation on that lake. And see, all your shopping down here in Wildwood, only 4 miles away. Or you can go to Inverness, 11 miles away. What you will be riding on is hard packed gravel, nothing no motorcyclist can't handle. And ride through the grass to get your spot. It's a different shot from a different angle.
We can get here on JetBlue and Big Easy, the Goldwings. You can get it here on your bike too.
And we have regular street tires.
Did you tell him it was free?
How much it costs?
Free.
What does it cost?
Free.
Okay, we just came from this way. As we head down here, you'll see a Y in the road where the primitive camping is, with all the trees and all the beautiful areas. Well, we really wanted to go, but we needed to take advantage of the sun at this spot.
Right.
So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you. And here's the sign for the primitive campground. Yep. So, as stated before, one of the things about this campground is you can pick any spot. It don't have to be by a table or a grill, just any spot.
Right. And remember, Florida have hunting season. And there's a list that's stapled to this board of when their hunting season starts.
Okay. And when we came check this out, we did not come down this right here. It's sandy. But as long as you keep your wheel straight, you should be okay, or ride in the grass and don't sink in the mud and have people come pull you out. So we're just gonna kind of walk down here and maybe kind of go a little inland to our left. As you can see, a Class A.
A big Class A.
Right there. So your RVs, be careful with the overhang. Beautiful oak trees, beautiful setting back here. Perfect for tent camping. And we on motorcycles, we consider ourselves tent camping, even though we're pulling patches and bubbles.
Patches and bubbles.
So check this one out here. Just like in the other section, there's water, but non-drinkable water, potable water. So have a clean filtration system. Look at this. Good spot.
Look at the beautiful moss on the tree. I'm loving that.
And here goes stupidity. There's trash bins that we've seen if somebody will leave it there.
Yeah, you have to pass the trash can, the dumpster, getting in and out of this location.
Table. And all this space over here. Actually, that RV is where we was gonna go, Kate.
Right.
Right there. I don't know, let's see. This was gonna be our spot. But we didn't see a lot of sunlight. Now, what we use solar for, we don't need a lot of sunlight, but if we have a lot of sunlight, we're gonna take advantage of it. Could have stopped right here.
Hmm?
We could have put it right here with all this sunlight.
Yeah, right back there where we were gonna put it.
Well, we like being in the woods and the trees back here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna walk to this one spot over here, baby. When we come back, and we're coming back.
We're coming back, yeah.
We're probably gonna get this spot here. There's a table there, water spigot, fire ring on the other side, which I'm assuming is for this. Well, actually double tables here. So this is a buddy site. You and your buddy come.
Right.
Water spigot there. We'll probably put it up right here somewhere next to the table. We normally move the table to us, or here where we can take advantage of the sun. And as you come all the way to the back, there's this gate here with a trail, and I have no idea what the trail is for. See this fence? All the way down. And then we probably could walk all the way back here to the next sites, but I don't want to invade nobody else's space.
You heard me?
Say again?
That's a horse trail.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Yeah, because the open field where we are, that's basically where the equestrian is. And this is the primitive, non-equestrian, because what we showed you guys earlier, the equestrian, they have their own stables. That's absolutely free to use also. And this campground kind of looked like this the whole way, except all the way on the end, there's something to the right if you want to just be an open field and not under the trees. And this is it. I don't know how many sites they have. Look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 sites back here.
Well, they're not numbered. Oh.
Yeah, see where they're banned at in open field? You can use that and take advantage of the solar if you need to,
Right.
or the open space. Let's see what's on the right. If there's any camping spots on the right. Nope. It's kind of like an open field and a trail. Actually, don't even look like a trail. But there's campers over on that side. And this way it ends. Right here is all done.
Right.
And hey, people,
They didn't see you.
a couple of tenors over here. Some van lifers right there. Oh, they got some of the good tents that you're gonna spend some money on. Somebody have their own shower here. And this is the primitive area. How many sites you said they would have? About 6?
I would say, or more.
I didn't count them, but let's go with 8.
I count how many tents are here. I mean, people are here.
Well, I was just looking at the tables because the guy over there,
Mhm.
well, he has a table.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go 10.
Okay. How many we going?
We're going 10.
10. Okay, 10 sites in the primitive area. And first come, first serve.
Yes.
Okay, that's all we have for this particular campground. I hope you liked the review. It's called Lake Panasoffkee. Lake Panasoffkee. Campground here in Florida, absolutely free. And like we said, y'all know we love some free. Free. You still have to go online and register. Remember, go online, register. They're gonna tell you everything been approved. Just come in, don't have to worry about no gate code here. Nope. Pretty peaceful, and since we've been here, it's been quiet at night. We don't know about partiers, but it's nice. And the lake itself is probably about a 5-mile hike if you're gonna hike it, but it's not too far from here. And from what we understand, huge fish on the lake for you fishermen. But that's all we have for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.
And share.
And share, definitely share.
Yes.
But if y'all riding, remember, ride long, ride hard, ride strong, and most importantly,
ride safe.
With Boots and Jeans Riders, me right here, I'm Rich.
And I'm Kate, proud Navy grandma.
And we out. Peace.